if you're anything like me, you grew up in arcades and you played your TMNTs, your Simpsons, your X Men's, your Street Fighters, your Mortal Kombat's, Killer Instincts. You played them all on fight sticks, arcade sticks. You would play on buttons and sticks and move them around and things of that nature. Or if you're new to the fighting game scene over the last 10 years, you picked up a fight stick so that you could play intricately. But what if you didn't have to? What if there were a way for you to just hone in and use something very familiar to you, press buttons with the precision of typing up an essay, and not have to worry about the lever, the stick? Today, let's talk about the HAUTE 42 Pro. What's going on, ladies and gents? It's your boy Michael Wall Trades coming to you today on the BackAlley 711 channel, talking about the HAUTE 42 Pro. So, I've never used a leverless stick before. Always thought it was kind of weird. I'm like, well, you know, if I gotta hit buttons and kind of feel like I'm using a typewriter or something like that, I kind of didn't want any parts of it. But after using this for like a couple weeks, I gotta say, man, it's pretty good. It comes in a small brown box. You open it up. It is connected via USB Type C. Not a mini. I'm sorry, Alpha. Plugs into your PC. You can use it on Switch. You can use it on PlayStation 4. You can use it on Xbox. It has different modes and inputs. You can customize the DMD screen that you see on there. The buttons are removable, so you can literally lift one of the caps up, pop it off, and you can swap out the switches if you want to. So that's definitely an option. It does have RGB lighting. It feels really good, you know. In the hands, it's really, again, it gives that typing sound, but it's satisfying when you're hitting the buttons. You know, it is pretty compact, so this is something that you literally could take with you. You can stick it in a bag. If you're wearing a pair of Jinkos, you can stick them in some Jinkos. Or you can throw it in like a laptop bag or something. You know, for me, this is something that I'm going to put in a laptop bag and carry with me on trips and things of that nature, so I don't have to take a huge stick. Now, there are other companies out there that make things like these, like the snack box and hit boxes, things of that nature, but they don't come in at the price point that this does. And this comes in at 60. I think I got it for like $60.99. 60.99. But it's really nice, man. It's solid build quality. It's very, very, very solid. Like, it just, again, just hitting buttons on it, it's nice. And hell, I was even able to put the BackAlley 711 logo on it, so can't beat that, right? But I was never really inclined to learn how to use leverless, but for the sake of trying something new, I did. So let's look at some of my gameplay, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts.
Round one. Fight.
Yes, we stay ready for the next battle.
Round one. Fight.
Oh yeah, I'm about to serve this chick for Gibby Giberson. Yeah, she gonna have to get this work. She gotta get this work. How dare she show up on my battlefield? How dare she?
Round one. Fight.
Why'd I say something about Gibby? Oh no!
Round two. Fight.
What? My elbow. Hold that. Hold that. Hold that.
The meaning of pain.
Let's get this started.
Are you ready? Fight!
Over here.
Heaven and earth tremble before thy might. Will the tide of battle turn? Fight! You win! Salvation, exciting switch game. Your destiny will be determined here.
Now ready to commence the attack.
The battle has begun. Fight! That's too good for you. Pick up the pace. Fight! You win!
Sorry to do this, Brucey.
I'm not the enemy.
All humans are the enemy.
Begin.
Your mind's chaos overwhelms.
I know, right? It's like a million voices.
I'll silence them for you.
Begin. Harley Quinn wins.
So, after using this for weeks, playing various games with it, just testing the waters and whatnot, it's pretty much up to preference, you know. If you're good at typing up things, if you're good at hitting buttons and just, you know, figuring out the inputs. Like once, for me, the thing was, and it's always a layout, right? This is always left, this is right, and this is down. So, you know, like, you know, your Hadoukens is, and then punch, or DP, you know what I mean? Like, and it's always like, the weird part is still, to this day, getting used to this being the up arrow. Now, you can go in there and you can configure it, but I couldn't really find a layout where I was just like, well, let me make this arrow up instead and this be down, because, you know, then my thumb's doing a lot of the action, and the response time is more of what you want in your digits, in your index, and your middle, and your ring finger, you know. Again, I do have big hands, so for me, you know, I usually play like this. It's usually a thing like that. So 4x4, you know what I mean? Like stuff like that. That's usually how I do it. You know, other people don't. That being said, if you have big hands, they do sell a bigger version of this, which I wish I would have gotten. And I'm actually genuinely, I'm enjoying it enough so much that I might actually get the bigger version. But with my massive gorilla hands, I can still play on this, you know. It's a good entry point. It is. It's really good. And you can swap the switches out for micro switches if you want to. You can put cherry, I think they're called cherry MS switches or mechanical switches. You can put those in there. It's really cool because it's customizable. And at the price point for it to be able to function with all the current consoles except for PS5, that's a +2. You know, it's kind of, I want to say it's like the Mayflash of the Mayflash of leverless controllers, right? But you got $60 laying around, and sometimes it goes even cheaper, you know. I'd say if you want to try it out, you want to test your limits, by all means, check it out, do so, invest in it. I'll post a link in the description. It's not like an affiliate link or anything like that, but it'll just be a link for you guys to go check it out. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Y'all, Michael Ball Trades. If you like what you saw, yo, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not, and yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. Later.